In this topic, you will learn about the different kinds of data you can work in your Python programs. Here are the 5 standard data types used in Python: number, string, list, tuple, and dictionary. Numbers in Python is used to store numeric values. It creates a number object when a value is assigned to them. Numbers in Python must start with a number digit 0 to 9, a dot period, which is a decimal point. A hyphen can be used as a negative sign for negative numbers. A number can contain only one decimal point, and it should not contain letters, spaces, dollar signs, and anything else that isn't a part of a normal number. For example, 45 is assigned to var1 and 15 is assigned to var2. Python numeric data types is used to hold numeric values like int holds an integer which is any whole number, positive or negative. Float holds a floating point number which is just any valid number that contains a decimal point. And complex holds a complex number. The reference to a number object can be deleted by using the del statement using the del command, like this. A single object or multiple objects can also be deleted by using the del statement, like this command to delete var1 and var. Sequence. In Python, sequence is the generic term for an ordered set. Sequence is the most basic data structure in Python. In a sequence, each element is assigned a number which generates its index or position that starts with 0. There are several types of sequences in Python. The following are the most important: lists and tuples. A list is a data type in Python which can be written as comma-separated values inside square brackets. Here are some examples how lists are written in Python. List 1 contains strings and integer. If the list contains strings, then, as always, those strings should be enclosed in single or double quotation marks. If the list contains numbers, then don't use quotation marks around them. List 2 contains only integers. In addition to list, Python supports a data structure known as tuple. A tuple is a sequence of immutable objects. It is similar to list, but the only difference is that tuples cannot be modified. The syntax for creating a tuple is the same as the syntax for creating a list, except you don't use square brackets. You have to use parentheses like this. How to check data type for variable declared. There are 2 ways of checking the data type of variable declared: by using the type method or by using the isInstance method. The type function in Python usually identifies the type of data. This can be done by passing the variable name as input to the method type. It returns the data type of the variable. This example will produce the output as int. Python isInstance function is used to check if an object is an instance of a specified class or not. The isInstance method takes 2 parameters as an input. If the first parameter is an instance of the data type in the second parameter, then the function returns true, otherwise false. This example will produce the output as true since n is an instance of an integer.